Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 not launching issue using some simple and effective methods. If your game doesn't start or closes instantly, first restart your PC to clear any temporary glitches. Then open your game launcher like Steam or Epic Games and run it as administrator to avoid permission problems. After that, verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted data. Now, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, as outdated drivers often cause launch issues. Next, disable background applications like overlays, recording software, or antivirus temporarily, because they can block the game from starting. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated and install the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Finally, go to the Game folder and try launching the GTA5.exe file directly as administrator. After applying these fixes, your game should launch without any problem. Subscribe the channel for more videos.